Hey, here we are, Scotch Creek. Axel Mountaineer Adventure. Look at the quad. How beautiful it is, and it's all protected here for the dust. Yay! And under there is Lambert. Beautiful chariot. Let's go! My God, the quad is so much quieter ever since I fixed the exhaust. Yay me. Hey, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Did it. They've really closed this off. Oh well, we'll head back that way. That looks good. But look at the view. It's Cop Island. I'm gonna go for a drone flight over there after we eat. I tell you, flying the drone and taking video at the same time. I am so talented. Let's land. Yay me.